Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to my channel, Yes Signature. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful nightwear. So if this is what you are interested in, please watch the video till the end. So I want to say thank you to my old subscribers, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I want you to drop your comment in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about this video, your questions. I want to see them in the comment section, and also share this video. And on this channel I post cutting and sewing videos every week, and I go live every day. So do well to join me every evening as I make new DIYs on how to cut and sew on my channel. So please go and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So I folded my fabric into four. This is the beautiful fabric I'll be using. So 1 yard will be enough for this style. So I folded my fabric into two. Now I folded it into four like so. Can you see how it is? I'm refolding it so that you can see how it is. So after folding it into four like so, the next thing you're going to do now is to fold it again into 8, but this time around we are going to fold it in a bias form like so. So I'll go ahead, as I've said, you fold it in bias form like so, then you arrange it properly. After arranging it in bias form like so, remember, as I folded it in bias form, it is now 8 pieces, it is no longer 4. So you minus 5 from the up like so, and take your normal length. So the normal length for this thing I'm going to be using 22 inches. So you can go ahead and take your desired length. So that's what I'll be doing. Remember, I removed 5 inches. Can you see? Watch the video properly. So I'll go ahead and measure the 22 inches all the way around like so. Ensure you range it properly. Then I'll go ahead and cut. If you are through with your measurement, you go ahead and cut it off. So after cutting it off, this is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and open it like so. Then I will slit it.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so.
So I'm through slitting it, and this is how it looks. So now we have, after slitting it, I have two pieces together. So at the tip there, I will go ahead and take 0.5 inch, that is half inch. Then I'm going to cut it off, because that's where I'm going to put the strip. That's the hand of the um, top. That's where I'm going to put the strip. So we're going to cut half inches from there. So that's for that. Next thing we're going to do is that we're going to measure your underbust, divide it times 2. So that's the length of your strip for the underbust, because there's a rope under the bust that went up to the back, then you tie it at the back. So the wideness is 2 inches. That's what we are going to use, 2 inches for that. Then the for the neckline, that's for the one that will hold you tie around your neck. It depends on you. So that will be for that. I'll go ahead and cut it and show you. After cutting your strap, you go ahead and fold it like so, as I have demonstrated in the video. You go to your sewing machine and sew it. So after sewing it, we'll just put it inside one of the, make sure the neckline one has 2 rope. So you go ahead and sew it inside like so, on the wrong side. Can you see? Go ahead and sew it inside like so. So this is how it looks. Okay, you go ahead and sew it like so. That's what I'm going to do right away. All right, let me show you how it looks after folding the rope. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So after sewing it like so, you can now fix it inside where you cut half inches from, like so. Okay, just put it inside any of the part that you prefer, you put it inside. Okay, so that will be for that. Put it inside and you sew directly on it like so. Can you see? I want to show you again so that you will understand. Just close it and sew it, and you sew all the way round, all the way round. So after sewing, I'm going to show you something that I did. I'm going to show you something that I did also after sewing. So you sew it all the way round. There's a space you are going to leave at both sides, so I will show you after sewing. All right, I have I am through sewing it. So there's something I told you I wanted to show you. You measure your underbust. So at where if your underbust is 13, like so, you measure it like this, you minus your normal 5.5 inches, then you go ahead and measure 13. Then you leave space after the 13, leave 1 inch space at both sides. At that side, at the right side, and also at the left side. Then you continue your sewing all the way round to this particular place, then you enter the other side again. Then when you get to the 13 inches, you leave 1 inch under. So that's the opening there. So I'll go ahead and open it up and bring out the right side out of that opening. I am done opening it, can you see? And I've also tried to press it, give it a good press, but that's not the final ironing. I'm going to iron it. So the next thing I'm going to do at that opening place, I'll go again and measure the 13 inches, which is the underbust. So I'll go ahead and sew it all the way around. So I want to use my chalk to mark it so that you can see how it is. So you mark it all the way around like so, 13 inches. So that's where you are going to follow. You are going to sew. So you can see how I'm measuring it. Then you go down under the 13 inches, you measure another 1 inch all the way around. So you sew along the line and do it at the other side too. So I went ahead to do that. So the video cannot really capture how the thread cannot capture the thread on the fabric, but I've done that. So after doing that, you bring your rope and your safety pin. Bring your rope and your safety pin, and you go ahead and pass it through from that opening. Remember, the both sides there is opening, so you pass it through like so.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never.
So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand it. So see you in our next live tomorrow. Stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe if you are not. Bye.